pechay or chard. What I'm going to do with it is boil it. It is at its best when it is flowering like this. Welcome to Liquid Cooks and More. Before we boil our vegetables, that is pechay, we clean them up into like this. These are the inner portion of the stems. And like this. Sample is this one. Like this, and then this one is the stem. Clean this up. This one tastes very good. Okay. After doing this, wash the vegetables. Always wash your vegetables very well. If you want it half done, you can close the fire now. But if you want well done, cook it some more. For me, I want it well done. Now this is well done. Like and subscribe, please. You can eat it as is, or you can eat it with rice. That's up to you. Bye-bye. See you again next time. Pechay, some sort of chard.